With the arches in place, you're ready to finish things off by adding the end walls. Before you begin, make sure the arches are propped to the correct height so everything lines up. SteelMaster end walls are designed to fit your building perfectly. For this project, the customer is installing a solid steel end wall from SteelMaster to enclose the back of his 12x10 building and plans to enclose the front with a custom end wall. SteelMaster also offers steel front end walls with framed openings if you prefer a complete steel enclosure. Each end wall kit includes labeled corrugated steel panels that are pre-cut and pre-punched for a precise fit. Flat panels are provided for the outermost edges of the end wall and will require some trimming and a few holes drilled on one side. When you're ready to attach the end wall panels to the building, start in the center and work your way out, using the same bolts you used on the rest of the building. Position your outermost end panel against the arch. Trace the arch's outline onto the panel, and trim off any excess material for a precise fit. Install the outer end wall panels on both sides. The panels should fit right into place. Twist the bolts in like you did the other parts of the building, then go back and tighten the bolts again, locking everything down. You now have a maintenance-free, 50-year warranty heavy-duty steel building that will stand up to the worst weather conditions on the planet.